This is Mallow. She's the owner of Mallow Store here in Basey Proper. There's the neighbors. There's my dog. She has just opened the first coffee vending machine in Basey Proper at her store. Now she's going to get me one of the first cups of coffee here in Basey.
It's really true that this is the first time in Basey.
The cup is not
I like the taste.
We're all enjoying the sunshine. Beautiful day.
I hope this will not rain at once.
Here we go.
So thank you, brother.
that's the small one in coffee vending. Unlike in Canada. Try, my friend.
And there we go. One cup of coffee. That's hot.
White coffee.
Mmm, it's so good. Thank you, Mallow. What a beautiful coffee machine. This is going to do well here. Say hi, kids.
Hi. 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 YouTube channel.